How to put emoji on WhatsApp profile picture. Let's begin with the video. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Next, tap on the updates at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the plus icon at the top. Now select any image from your gallery to set as your background. After that, tap on the sticker icon and choose the sticker you want to use. Once you have done that, take a screenshot of the sticker by pressing the volume button and power button together on your device. Now go back and click on the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Then tap on your profile picture at the top of the settings page. Next, press the camera icon below your current profile picture. Choose the gallery option and find the photo with the emoji you created and select it. Finally, crop or edit the image as needed. Then hit the Done button to add the emoji as your new profile picture. That's it. You have successfully put emoji as your WhatsApp profile picture.